Hi, I'm Megan from Carrots and Flowers, and today I'm here cooking for Switch4Good with the founder, Dotsie Bosch. And we are making a high-performance breakfast. We're gonna make oatmeal topped with caramelized bananas, mixed nut butter, and cacao nibs.
Sounds so good. This breakfast has 25 grams of protein. Yes, you heard me right. It's also full of complex carbohydrates and has a good amount of essential fatty acids. And for me, it is the perfect breakfast in terms of if you're gonna go into a hard day of training or just a hard day of being busy, a working business mom with, Lily running around. It's just so much good fuel, so many good nutrients, all of your macros and as many micros as you could want in a breakfast, and it's gonna keep you satiated for 4 or 5 hours at least.
At least. So we're gonna walk you through how to make this super easy breakfast. Takes about 10 minutes, and we'll go through all of the ingredients so you know exactly what ingredient does what good thing for your body.
Yes.
All right.
So the bananas are gonna go on top and you're gonna caramelize them, which I'm really excited about because I've never done that before, ever. And then next up is soy milk.
Yes.
Which is incredible. It gets a bad rap, but it's good stuff, people. It has as much protein as cow's milk, as much calcium. The cool thing is it's about 30% more bioavailable in your gut because it's from a plant.
Exactly.
It's a soybean. Then we have oats, tons of protein, great complex carbohydrate, and really good for keeping you satiated for a long time, which is important in the morning because if you lean into simple carbohydrates for breakfast, like a donut or a lollipop even, some people really don't think about breakfast as an important meal, and it so is. Do complex carbohydrates. They're gonna keep you satiated for longer, and definitely there's where our energy comes from, right? That is our energy sources, is carbohydrates. So next, chia seeds.
The chia seeds have a lot of essential fatty acids and a lot of additional fiber and some protein as well.
And then cinnamon, which is amazing, really good for your metabolism. Hemp seeds, full of protein, full of fiber. Coconut sugar, which you can use in baking. I've never used it.
It's great. I like it a lot.
A lot of stuff today that I don't know what to do in the kitchen. That's why you're here. And then tell us about your nut butter hack.
So this mixed nut butter is my new favorite because it's super creamy, it's super thin, so it's easy to spread, it's easy to dollop. But what I love about it is gut health doctors recommend that you eat up to 30 different plant-based foods per day. And so that can sound like a lot to people. But if you look at this meal, especially with this having 6 in it right here, it's almost like 12, so.
Yeah, just in breakfast.
Yeah.
And then my favorite.
They smell so good.
I know. Cacao nibs. Yes, yes. You can put them into anything and everything. You can put them in ice cream. I put them into every smoothie I ever make, even if it's just like a kale cucumber smoothie. I put cacao nibs in there because I like the crunchiness too. Like you even still have a bit of that when you make a smoothie,
chew a little.
right? Like you can chew a little, yeah.
Well, I love these because it adds a little bit of crunch to the very creamy texture of the oatmeal. So it's a little sweet, it's a little savory, a little creamy, a little crunchy. So it has everything you would need for a super satisfying breakfast that's gonna make you feel amazing.
Let's make it right this minute.
Let's do it. Okay, Dotsie, you ready to dig in?
I am so ready.
All right, I'm pretty hungry. Gotta
All
make
right.
sure to get good bites. I'm a really attractive on-camera eater too, so.
Oh, good.
Guys,
I'll just let
you
you
guys
do
are
it.
in first.
You go. Oh yeah, that was beautiful. Okay.
You gotta go in with the
It is ridiculously delicious.
Thank you.
All right, I'll see you
man.
guys later.
I know, right? I'm just like, no more talking. It'll just be another 5 minutes of me shoveling this oatmeal into my mouth.
I like a bite with a lot of the nut butter. It's so good. It's ridiculous. All right, so I have to have a cup of coffee every morning,
For sure.
right? So what's your favorite plant-based coffee creamer?
This one is my new current favorite plant-based coffee creamer. It's Malk. I love it because the ingredients list, it's filtered water, rolled oats, pecans, coconut sugar, maple syrup, and Himalayan sea salt.
All right, let's give it a try. I'm gonna stir around. It's super creamy. Yeah.
I like this one because so far, from what I've noticed, it doesn't curdle, and some of them do, so.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Yeah. Awesome. And there's other ones that have fantastic ingredients, like So Delicious. I know. Milkadamia, Elmhurst.
Yes,
so
I love that one.
Plenty out there. This breakfast is so chock full of energy, complex carbohydrates that sustain you for hours that there's a possibility you might not need a cup of coffee.
I feel like I don't need coffee right now. I am good. We hope you enjoyed this recipe for delicious caramelized banana cacao nibs nut butter oats. That was a mouthful. Anyways, it's easier to make than it is to say, I promise.
And make sure you guys stay tuned to Switch4Good and Carrots and Flowers. We have more high performance recipes coming at you for both lunch and dinner and snacks.